Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your private and incognito browse history from your PC. So as whenever we use any browser, we assume that on incognito mode or private mode it doesn't store our history, but in actual it does store our history into the cache file. So no matter which browser you use, whether Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Chrome, it actually does save your browsing history in the cache file. So first of all, we are going to check our browsing history of incognito mode. So open your command prompt cmd and type here ipconfig slash display dns and hit enter. So as you can see, these are all my browsing history of private and incognito mode of all my browser of such as Firefox, Chrome, and these are all stored in the cache file of my computer. So now I'm going to clear all these my browsing history. So type here ipconfig slash flush dns. Okay, so as you can see, ipconfig slash flush DNS, basically by this command, it will delete all the incognito browse history from your computer. After typing this command, hit enter, and you can see a message right here, successfully flushed the DNS resolved cache. So basically, so our incognito and private browsing history has been cleaned and it has been deleted now. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Make sure to press the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.